Hi friends! Let's learn the domestic animals. This is dog. It's very loyal to man. This is cat. It is friendly and playful to children. These are lovebirds. They add beauty to our home. It is a fish. It is an aquatic animal. It is a rat. It is intelligent with sharp teeth. This is a rabbit. It loves to eat a carrot. Tortoise. It can live in water and land. It is a goat. It is raised for milk, meat and skin. This is pig. It uses its nose to find their food. Sheep. It gives meat and wool. This is cow. It gives us milk. This is hen. It gives egg. Parrot. Parrot can talk like humans. This is donkey. It can carry loads. This is duck. It gives meat and egg. This is dove. They are symbol of peace. It is a horse. It can run very fast. Turkey. Turkey meat is good for health. This is buffalo. It gives us milk, meat, leathers. This is pigeon. They are intelligent birds. Guineafowl. It gives meat and egg. It lays thick eggs. Camel lives in desert. Subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.